Next place, a garden centre. Very good. Garden centres are nice and easy to find. Yes, it is a commercial premises, and yes, it does have a very vague address, but a garden centre is a place where people turn up, buy some stuff and then go home. So it makes good business sense to make yourself as big and obvious and noticeable as possible. So garden centres tend to have nice big obvious signs. This is us, this is where we are, this is what we do. So they are usually pretty easy to find. Well, this one in particular being super duper easy to find because it is on my map as a point of interest. Raining again, getting dark and dingy. Although it's 10 to 3, it will be dark soon. So I better hurry up with these deliveries. What's going on here then? Something or other. Who knows? Garden centre. See? I told you, they're usually well signed. No articulated vehicles, well I'm a rigid so that's fine. Except for access. Well I need access. Oh. Bovis Homes, that's my next drop. Is it that one? That would be super duper convenient if it is. Bovis Homes is there as well there. That would be fantastic if that was my next drop. But I think on the map it showed it a bit further in town. We'll find out in a minute once I look at the map. Dobby's Garden Centre. No signs saying deliveries around the back or nothing. Delivery entrance only. There we go. This is us. Easy, and toilets over there. I'll make use of those as well whilst I'm out. That'll do that. Into neutral, handbrake on, wipers off, lights off. Yeah. Check in on the app. Arrived at destination. Send. Right, let's go find someone and see where they want me to unload. Interesting. Bovis Homes, just down the road, like we noticed. It could be the one. Nice. Then we already know where our next delivery is. Plus, the phone call. That was about this. I've got a collection as well. So I drop one pallet off, pick one up. I was correct, that Bovis Homes is the one we're delivering to. Oh look at that, just in time for the Arctic to arrive. Come on, make way. Fly out there, turn left again, and we're there, barely a mile down the road. School's kicking out, all the children are starting to appear. In a mere couple of minutes after we set off, we're nearly at our destination. Well, they're going off how it's been going today, particularly this morning. Taking 2 attempts to do everything. This will probably be the wrong entrance, and it was actually the other one back there that I wanted. But we'll find out in a minute. Now, this is Blore. I want Bovis. Oh well, we'll reverse in, we'll have a little look round. Come on, turn. So this is the right entrance, the other one's an exit. And he says, go all the way around in a big U. Turn right somewhere, and then on the left is Bovis Homes, which will be that lot we saw down the bottom there somewhere. None of this is on my map. We're driving in the middle of nowhere. Is this where we turn left? No, which one's Bovis Homes? Try this way. It's not doing a particularly good job at picking up the dirt, though. Bovis. Looks good. One pallet to drop off and one to pick up. Yeah.
You got to pick up?
No, I've just been told a pallet. I don't know. Contact name's Adam Lee. Adam Lee is on the contact name. Yeah.
I don't know what's got to go on there, so...
Okay. Well, up this way. Well, we knew roughly where it was. Apart from that, no one knows anything. That's a complete balls up from start to finish, because apparently there was a collection here. Nobody seems to know anything about it. I can't phone the office because the number I've been given doesn't go anywhere, and none of the other numbers on the phone go anywhere. So now there is a pallet somewhere that hasn't been collected. I've no idea where it is, what it's doing, and there's not really anything I can do about it, because no one at the office is answering. So that's just going to have to get left. Now, I'll admit, I've had easier days doing multi-drops than this, but you also get some really difficult ones as well. I mean, mean, this day has not really been difficult, it's just been ludicrously time consuming, that's all. Although, having a pallet go missing, that's a new one. But yeah, last one, some bingo hall, and then I'm done. Now normally you're supposed to phone the office once you're done, but turns out the number I have doesn't go through to the office, so I'm just going to have to turn up at the end of the day and go, hey, I'm here. 4:25, yeah. Very long day, longer than it needed to be, especially for only 10 drops. So many finicky, fiddly little jobs that you've got to hunt down and faff around to try and find. Oh, it's so annoying. 25 to 5. I was hoping to be done and gone and home by 5 o'clock. But that idea's gone out the window. It's the nature of the beast. Sometimes you get it all done in 7-8 hours. Sometimes it takes 12-15 hours. I've just had a very bad series of deliveries today. Every single one with faff. Can't find it. Where is it? Can't find it. Wait here for the person. Think, well, I've had 2 or 3 deliveries today that have just gone super duper smooth. I've been able to find them just like that. Drop them off. Job done. Off you go. DPD, UPS, and you little multi-drop drivers. I do not envy you at all. They usually have, not 50 to 70 drops a day. It's taken me all day just to do 10. Come on, please be easy to find. Ah, yes, easy! BJ's bingo! Well, that's it, but that's got height restrictions on. So we can't go in there. Is there somewhere around the back, perhaps? Oh yeah, like the garden centre, it's commercial premises, people go there, it has a big obvious sign. So it's going to be easy to find. I just need to find the delivery entrance, not the car park entrance. And then I'm done! Oh. Hooray! There doesn't appear to be a delivery entrance. In that case, I'll just stick it out the front and see what we can do. Entrance to car park. That does not really help us. Guy should have opened up the car park barrier. We can now go in the original way that we were going to go in. And whilst it is late, yes, my timesheet does say to all deliveries done by 5 o'clock at the latest. How can we make this corner? Do you want us to park by the shutters there on the corner?
Just in front of the door.
In the front?
At the back at the end of that one.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. paperwork says all deliveries to be made by 5 o'clock at the latest, and I am doing my last delivery at 4:45, 4:45, 10:02 nearly now. So I am towards the end of the schedule, but still on time. Last one done. Name Bradley. Sign the customer's paperwork. So that means I need to take a picture. Consignments, none. Stop. Who's left? Oh, there's still a few deliveries going. 3, he's got 3, they've got 1, 2, 3, 7 that person's got. 3, 1, nearly everyone's done now. I'm not doing too badly then. Someone's got 7 drops still to go. I wonder if it's that other agency guy. That's all I'm done. Can't phone the office because no one's answering, but I'll try again in a moment once I'm outside the barrier. Other than that, time to go home. So, until next time, which will probably be in a Arctic doing trunk work. None of this hideous multi-dropping stuff. Until next time, see you then.